Sri Guru Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 10, differential equation, exercise 10.8, ninth sum. A pot of boiling water at 100 degrees C, it is a boiling temperature of water, is removed from a stove at time t equal to 0 and left it to cool in the kitchen. After 5 minutes the water become temperature is 80 degrees C, and another 5 minutes it dropped to 65 degrees C. Determine the temperature of the kitchen. We want to find out the room temperature. To find out the room temperature, the starting the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees C. After 5 minutes it dropped into 80 degrees C. Then after 5 minutes, it nothing but 10 minutes, it dropped out 65 degrees C. We want to find out the temperature of the kitchen. Temperature of the kitchen is nothing but room temperature. We can use it as the Newton's law of cooling. See, let let T be the temperature. Let T be the temperature of the boiling water at any time T. Let T be the temperature. Let T be the temperature of T be the temperature of boiling water. T be the temperature of boiling water. Let T be the temperature of boiling water at time T. At time. At time T. At time T. And S be the room temperature. That is kitchen temperature. S be the room temperature. S be the room temperature. It's nothing but a kitchen temperature. Kitchen temperature. You can take it as S be the kitchen temperature and T be the temperature of the boiling point of water at any time T by Newton's law of cooling. By Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling. Law of cooling. By Newton's law of cooling. What is the definition? Rate of change of temperature according to the time taken is directly proportional to the temperature minus room temperature. By removing this proportionality sign, we can include K equal to K into T minus S. By variable separable method, dt by T minus S equal to K into dt. Integrating on both the sides. Integrating on both the sides. So log of modulus of T minus S equal to KT plus log of modulus of C. So log of modulus of T minus S minus log C. Log of mod C equal to KT. So log M minus log N equal to log M by N. That is log of modulus of T minus S by C equal to KT. So taking antilog on both the sides. So T minus S by C equal to E power KT. T minus S equal to C E power KT. T equal to S plus C E power KT. You can take it as 1. So at starting the T equal to 0, temperature equal to 100 degrees C. That is the boiling point of temperature equal to 100 degree C. That is T equal to 100 degree C. T equal to 0. You can apply in equation 1. You can get the value of C. 100 equal to S plus C e power K into 0. 100 equal to S plus C. E power 0 value is what? 1. So 100 minus S equal to C. So you can apply the value of C equal to 100 minus S in first equation. So T equal to, that is, you can take it as like this: T minus S equal to C e power KT. So T minus S equal to C value is what? 100 minus s into e power kt. 100 minus s into e power kt. You can take it as the second equation. You can take it as this one as the second equation. See, if t equal to after 5 minutes, t equal to 5, after 5 minutes the temperature become 80 degrees C. The temperature become 80 degrees C. You can apply in second equation. You can apply in second equation 80 minus s equal to 80 minus s equal to 100 minus 8. 100 minus s, 100 minus s into e power 5k. 100 minus s into e power 5k. E power 5k equal to 80 minus s by 100 minus s. 80 minus s by 100 minus s. You can take it as this as 3. So after 10 minutes, the temperature becomes 65 degrees C. The temperature become 65 degrees C. You can apply in equation 2. You can apply in this equation 2. So 65 minus s. 65 minus s equal to 100 minus s. 100 minus s into e power 10k. 100 minus s into e power 10k. 65 minus s equal to 100 minus s into e power 10k means e power 5k the whole square. What is the value of e power 5k the whole k? 80 minus s by 100 minus s. So from 3, 65 minus s equal to 100 minus s into 65 minus s equal to 100 minus s into e power 5k the whole square is 80 minus s by 100 minus s the whole square. 100 minus s the whole square. So 65 minus s equal to 100 minus s into 80 minus s into 80 minus s. 80 minus s whole divided by 100 minus s into 100 minus s. Because of square I write it in two times. 100 minus s, 100 minus s get cancelled. So 65, 65 minus s, 65 minus s into cross multiplication. 100 minus s equal to 80 minus s into 80 minus s. So 65 minus s, you can multiply 65, 6,500 minus 6,500 minus 165 s plus s square equal to 80 minus s the whole square is 6, a minus b the whole square formula plus s square minus 160 s minus 160 s. S square x square get cancelled. So what is the value for this? S square get cancelled. See here, 6,500 minus 6,400. 6,500 minus 6,400 equal to 165x plus minus 160s. 165s. 165s, you can bring it into the right hand side. 165s minus 160s. What is the value for this? 500 equal to 5s. 100 equal to 5s. S equal to 100 by 5. S equal to 100 by 5. S equal to 20 degrees C. Therefore, the kitchen temperature S equal to, therefore the kitchen temperature S equal to 20 degrees C. Kitchen temperature S equal to 20 degrees C. Now we move on to the last sum. 10th sum. A tank initially contained 50 liters of pure water starting at time t equal to 0. See your book. Abrim, containing with 2 grams of dissolved salt per liter flows into the tank at the rate of 3 liter per minute. The mixture is kept uniformly by stirring as well as stir mixture simultaneously flows out of the tank at the same rate. Find the amount of salt present in the tank at any time t greater than 0. Here you can denote as a x of t, that is a flow of water. They are asking inflow water and outflow water. You can take it as let x of t, let x of t, that is xt, it nothing but what time taken according x of t denote the amount of salt, denote the amount of salt in the tank, denote the amount of salt, denote the amount of salt in the tank at time t, denote the amount of salt in the tank at time t, in the tank at time t, at time t, amount of salt at time t. So dx by dt equal to, because inflow water and outflow water is there, so you can write dx by dt, rate of change of dissolved salt at amount of salt at time t equal to inflow 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 rate minus outflow rate, inflow rate, rate of water minus outflow rate of water, inflow rate minus outflow rate. Inflow rate equal to, what is your inflow rate? Inflow rate equal to, see here, inflow rate equal to 3 liter per minute, 2 grams of dissolved salt in 3 liter per minute, 3 liter per minute. So inflow equal to 2 into 3, it's equal to 6. Outflow rate, outflow rate, outflow rate equal to, outflow rate equal to, see here, 50 liters. Total how many liters of water is there? Out 50 liters of water. 3 liter of water it's going out. So 3 by 50. 3 by 50 into x. So dx by dt equal to, dx by dt equal to 6 minus 3 by 50 into x. 3 by 50 into x. See, you can take it as dx by dt. dx by dt equal to, dx by dt equal to 6 minus 3 by 50 into x. So you can take it out the coefficient minus 3 by 50, minus 3 by 50, you can take it out. What is the remaining value here? Minus 3 by 50, you can take it out. So x minus 6 into minus 50 by 3, because it is not a multiple of minus 3 by 50, so you can write it in a division form. If it is division means reciprocal that value. See here, I will write it. See, it is not in a division form, so minus 6 by minus 3 by 50. So it gives minus 3 by 50 into minus and minus become plus. Minus and minus become plus. 6 into 50 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So dx by dt equal to minus 3 by 50 into x minus 3 by 50 into x minus 100. minus 3 by 50 into x minus 100, x minus 100, because it is positive. So it is x minus minus into minus become plus, minus into minus become plus. So you can take it out, 3 by 50 alone it's enough, you can take it out. 3 by 50 minus 3 by 50, x minus x plus 100, x plus 100, you can take the value x plus 100. See here, already we have taken that minus. So see, here we can take it dx by dt equal to dx by dt equal to, you can take it as minus 3 by 50 out, because already minus we have taken out. So x minus x minus 6 by 3 by 50. You don't write minus also, because already minus we have right, we have written here minus. So x 6 by 3 by 50. So it gives minus 3 by 50 into x minus 6 into 50 by 3. 6 into 50 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So dx by dt equal to minus 3 by 50 minus 3 by 50 into x minus 100, minus 3 by 50 into x minus 100 by variable separable method, dx by x minus 100 equal to minus 3 by 50 into dt, integrating on both the sides, integrating on both the sides. So what is the value for this? Dx by x minus log of modulus of x minus 100 equal to minus 3 by 50 t plus log of mod c, log of mod c. So it gives log of mod c, log of modulus of x minus 100 equal to minus 3 by 50 minus 3 by 50 t plus log of mod c. So it gives log of modulus of x minus 100 minus log of modulus of c equal to minus 3 by 50 t, log of modulus of x minus 100 by c equal to minus 3 by 50 c, taking anti-log on both the sides, x minus 100 by c equal to e power minus 3 by 50 into t, x minus 100 equal to c e power minus 3 by 50 into t, starting t equal to 0. It is given in the question, x equal to 0 at any time t greater than 0, t equal to 0 and x equal to 0. So what is the value of that? T equal to 0, x equal to 0. You can substitute in this equation. 0 minus 100 equal to c e power 0, because t value is 0. 0 into any number 0. What is the value of c? C equal to minus 100. So you can substitute x minus 100. You can substitute in 1. Substitute c equal to minus 100 in 1. So what is the value we are getting? X minus 100, x minus 100 equal to, x minus 100 equal to minus 100 e power minus 3t by 50, minus 3t by 50, x equal to 100 minus 100 e power minus 3t by 50, x equal to, you can take it as 100 commonly out. What is the remaining value? 1 minus e power minus 3t by 50. 1 minus e power minus 3t by 50. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.